Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to upload audio to Roblox without copyright. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to upload audio to Roblox without copyright issues, you need to ensure you have either their own rights to the audio or use content that is royalty free or licensed for commercial use. Roblox is strict about copyright and may remove or mute audio that violates its policy. So simply choose audio you can legally use. You can simply get audio from royalty free sources like YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay Music, freesound.org and stuff like this. So you can simply also make sure the audio is labeled as free for commercial use and stuff, and prepare the audio file in the format of MP3, OGG or WAV. After this, you can simply upload to Roblox and enjoy your copyright-free music. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.